Have you ever wondered the different ways you can invest your money? Well, there are many. The traditional ways are stocks, bonds, and real estate. Those are the ones everyone has heard of. However, there are other ways you can invest your money, and they are most often lumped under the term alternative investment. And today we are going to discuss what that is. Although most alternative investments are not well known as investments, they can be just as profitable, if not more so, than traditional investments. For example, wine, art, cars, and antiques are all alternative investments. When purchased for personal use and personal enjoyment, they are considered personal purchases. However, when they are purchased for investment, they are considered alternative investments. What is the difference? Usually, when making a personal purchase, most people do it out of sentimentality. They allow their emotions to cloud the real value of an item. This means they will most likely see little or no return on their purchase. On the other hand, when people are looking to purchase an item to specifically enhance their investment portfolio, they do so with the expectation of capital appreciation, dividends, and interest earnings. So, they are more likely to research the item thoroughly, the materials used, the creator's history, the product's history as well as its quality, provenance, market value, appreciation history and so on. They are also more likely to treat the item better in order to maintain its quality and longevity. Due to these factors, these people are more likely to see a higher return on their purchase. Can a purchase be both personal and an alternative investment? Yes. Now, let's move on to other type of alternative investments. Coins and stamps are also alternative investments as well as cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. Then, there are the lesser-known alternative investments like private equity, venture capital, private debt, hedge funds, and commodities. Trading cards have also turned from a pastime hobby to an alternative investment. According to Kendall Baker at Yahoo News, between January 2008 and December 2020, the PWCC 500 index, which is basically the S&P 500 for trading cards, was up 270% compared to 160% for the S&P. Again, at its simplest definition, alternative investment is anything, except stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can purposefully invest your money in, for a possible return. So, it is a very broad term with an equally broad range in value and return. Like traditional investments, alternative investments have their advantages and disadvantages. Their advantages are portfolio diversification and greater returns when properly chosen. For example, American talk show host Oprah Winfrey bought a painting called Portrait of Adele Bloch-Bauer II by Gustav Klimt at an auction in 2006. She bought it for $87.9 million. In 2014, she sold the painting for $150 million. So, her 8-year alternative investment gave her a return of about $63 million. With that said, alternative investments does tend to have one disadvantage. And that is time. Alternative investments usually require you to leave your money invested for a longer period of time. To learn more about wealth and financial development, please subscribe.